Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans. Today I have for you the 2018 Ford Transit Courier. Now this is a 5-doored, very small van, but it does come to you with only 17,000 miles upon the clock as well. So just taking you around the vehicle now, we do of course only have 2 cloth-lined seats upon the interior, a 5-speed manual transmission, air conditioning just below there, as well as CD, radio, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free calling and voice assist, as well as cruise control can be controlled on the steering wheel. And I will just show you the rear load area. Now, even though this vehicle is very small, it is actually a very large load area for what you do get. Now this does come ply-line interior lit with cargo rings to turn out any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you this space from the back as well. Now as you can see, it is indeed got an undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now if you would like to find out more about this Ford Transit Connect, then please please do feel free to check out our website anchorvans.co.uk. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link is in the description, or you can find out more at our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading.